Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to integrate API in JavaScript using fetch method. So for that, you just have to mention the method name as fetch and you need to put your API link over here. So if you want any free APIs or APIs for demonstration, you can go on the JSON placeholder.typecode.com and over there you will get the list of API. So at the start, let's try consoling this fetch method and let's see what it returns. So I'm just gonna say console.log and here, and we are going to check it on our browser. So that is why I have imported this fetch.jscript in my index.html, and let's see it on browser. So I'm going to open with live server, that is extension you can have in VS Code, and let's see after inspecting what we get. So here, as you can see, we are getting promise in return while calling the URL from fetch method. So now we will have to write then statement over here. So at this stage, let's remove this console again, and then we just have to mention then keyword. So here we will just write one arrow function like rest and console.log rest, and we are going to end this. And now let's see what we get in response after writing then statement. So let me go on browser again. So here now we are getting all the necessary details. So here I am getting the URL, but somehow I am not able to see this body. So why I am not able to see this body? Because this is not in JSON format. So we will have to convert this in JSON format. So how we can do that? We just simply have to convert it in JSON format. So for that you will have to write the JSON keyword after response. So how can we write that? So let's break it down in multiple statements. So here I'm gonna say rest.json, and that will give me JSON. So rest.json, and this will convert the response in the JSON format, but still it will return me a promise. So for that, again I will have to write then statement, and as soon as I write this, we can now say data, and we can try consoling the data, console.log data, and here we will just give some identifier as a response data. And now we should be seeing the data from the API. So here now I'm getting the result. So similarly, this is just about the get method, but if you need to integrate other methods like post or delete or anything, you would have to add one more parameter like this. So right now I'm just using this get method, but if you want to include post method, then there is specific syntax for it. You will have to mention method as post, and then if you want to pass any body with that, then you will have to pass that body. So here I don't have any idea whether this API accepts the body or not. Just let me take some reference. Okay, let's say user ID, but this is the way you should be passing body to your API, user ID. So this is just an example, you can use it. So let's see on browser whether I get, so see, I'm getting the response as well. So if you want other methods like delete or any other method, you have to mention method like this and your appropriate body and header section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you.